In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to mine BlockDAG on an Android phone. So this is actually pretty simple. You need a mobile application for this. Let's just go back, and I'm going to be going back even more. So let me just jump to, yeah, so this is the platform, and from here you're going to be basically downloading the application. They do offer mobile applications, so if you want to mine BlockDAG on Android phone, you're going to be needing an application of which is officially provided by them. So you can see we have our miners here. These are provided as well, and you can actually use these, right? So let's just go back, and I'm going to be showing you the application that you can download. So let's just remove this BlockDAG application, and you can see we have mobile crypto mining app, and this is the exact thing that you need to download. Make sure you download it and you're good to go. So that's how you can mine BlockDAG on Android phone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, see you in the next video.